it's Valentine's Day or nearly, and we thought we'd take a little break from the relentless tirade of consumerist bullshit and talk about a few things that we here at Snake River Seeds think are truly sexy. Number one, instead of buying flowers for your sweetie that have been trucked in on a refrigerated plane from Colombia, why not pick them a bouquet from your own garden? I know, it's winter, there's not a lot of flowers, but what about a bouquet of kale? Nutritious and beautiful. Number two, learn a new skill. Like, I don't know, seed saving? Number three, care for the land. The land is beautiful and caring for it is so sexy. Nice land. Number four, make your own pickles out of cucumbers you grew in your own garden instead of buying a jar from the store. And number five, wait for it, shovel poo. You're right, we went there. Shoveling manure, we do believe is sexy for a lot of reasons. For one, it keeps your body healthy and strong, and for two, you put the manure in the garden, it feeds the worms, that feed the plants, that feed the animals, that feed the dirt. What could be sexier than that? So lots of love from all of us at Snake River Seeds.